What if I was to tell you that one of the major winners in the 2017 bull run, to a tune of an astounding 10,000% increase, hasn't even broken all-time highs yet in this cycle? Not only that, but we have been building strength for the last 4 years, and this thing is ready to absolutely explode. When it gets going, it's not going to stop. Go ahead and like and subscribe this video because I'm going to tell you why I am incredibly bullish on Litecoin. Let's dive right in. Now, Litecoin is a chart that you have to zoom out on because the amazing, insane potential of this coin and what it has done is astounding. So, like I told you guys, it did 10,630%. On the way down, though, we did form some very key levels. We have this monthly breaker here and this monthly breaker. You know it's significant because we came back up here and tested it as a major resistance. And not only that, back up here, we tested as a major resistance. Now, as you guys can see, we have already came back down and retested this level. It held as a support, which is a very good thing. This one, we're really, really close, but we haven't actually confirmed it as a support yet, okay? Very close. Now, on the weekly chart, we have another breaker that's been established. This right here. And a couple weeks ago, I told you guys that, hey, this is the level that I think is going to be extremely significant. Once we get above here and close it as a support, it's going to accelerate. Now, we got the close, and now we're just building up strength for an acceleration upwards. Nothing has changed in my assessment on that. On the 3-day level, I don't think we have anything on the 3-day actually. On the daily level, though, on the daily level, this is where it gets interesting. The only levels that we have left to clear are these three right here, 1, 2, and 3. Not only that, but we are actually trading above the 200 moving average, which, as you guys know, is the level that I always look for a to show a chart as generally bullish. Well, we are trading above it. This generally looks bullish. Overall, it looks amazing and ready for takeoff. On the 4-hour chart, you even see how we have this clear trend line that's been established, and we're already starting to press back against it again. This looks really, really good. And let's go back to the daily once again, and you can see how we have a trend line drawn from the very top to the very bottom, and we have broken out of that trend line and are consolidating, essentially building up strength ready for the acceleration upwards. Now, so the US dollar pairing looks great. However, this isn't even the main reason why I'm bullish on this coin. The main reason is right here on the Litecoin Bitcoin dominance chart. However, you have to zoom way back on this chart because this is an extremely high time frame analysis, which makes me incredibly bullish because when this thing starts going, it's going to accelerate in a very rapid way. And as you guys can see, Litecoin, when it starts accelerating, it goes super, super, super quick, and it does not stop, okay? This one increased for 500%. This one increased for 600%, give you an idea of the absolute potential we have here, right? So this thing does accelerate and does a large amount of gain in a very quick amount of time. Now, what's going on right now? Well, we have a falling wedge that's been established, and we're coming right down here to the apex. We actually broke below the previous all-time high, or the all-time low that happened down here. We have some scan wicks. I really don't include those. This, to me, is more sustained, and this is what I'm really considering as the all-time low. Well, we broke below it, and now we have closed our weekly candle back above it. This looks like a successful swing failure pattern, which is what allowed me to catch the bottom back at 40,000 on Bitcoin, this most recent. So we have a really good swing failure pattern. All of these triangles are converging to this central point. You can see how all of these triangles are converging. Well, where are we converging to? Right here, guys. We're right at this area. We don't have much more space between it has to pick a direction. Because of the swing failure pattern, it makes a lot of sense that we're going to break to the upside, guys. And once we do, as we can tell with Bitcoin or with the Litecoin, it does like to accelerate in a very important way. Now, if you go to the 3-day chart, it's really cool, is that we have formed a bullish divergence on this coin. Now, a bullish divergence is when you make a lower low on price and a higher low on RSI. Well, from here to here, we have a bullish divergence that we have a lower low here and we have a higher low in price. You can see that back in February of 2017, this one's been building up. And even more recently, we have another one that's been forming right here to here. Okay. Not only that, we also have a support on the RSI. It's not incredibly common, but it does happen, and it looks like we are actually being supported by the RSI. Overall, this coin looks absolutely amazing and ready for acceleration, and I cannot wait to see where this one gets to. Outside of that, have a great day, and I'll see you guys next video. Deuces, boys.